In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Roblox in BlueStacks. First, open BlueStacks 5. If it is pinned to your taskbar, click the BlueStacks icon there. Otherwise, open it from your desktop. After a moment, the main BlueStacks window appears, usually showing the Home tab with a few suggested apps and a search bar near the top. Wait until everything finishes loading so all buttons respond smoothly. Now, open Google Play Store. On the BlueStacks home screen, find the Play Store icon. It looks like a multicolored triangle, and click it once. If this is the first time you open it in BlueStacks, it may take a few extra seconds while it prepares the store environment. You should then see the Google Play homepage, with a search bar at the top and a mix of suggested apps below. Next, sign in with your Google account. A sign-in window appears, asking for an email address or phone. Type your Google email, click Next, then type your password and continue. If Google asks to agree to terms, scroll if needed and click Accept. On some accounts, a verification code might be sent to your phone or another device, so follow that prompt if it appears. Once signed in, the Play Store reloads and shows your account picture in the top right corner, which confirms the login worked. From there, search for Roblox. Click into the Play Store search bar at the top, type the word Roblox, then press Enter. A list of results appears, with the main Roblox app usually at the very top. The correct Roblox listing has a square icon with the tilted square logo and the developer name Roblox Corporation underneath. Beginners sometimes click an Add result instead, so make sure you choose the official one before continuing. Now click Install. You are on the Roblox app page, with an Install button on the right side. Click Install once and wait while the download bar fills. You can see the download progress percentage, then it switches to installing automatically. When the install finishes, the button changes to Open, and the Roblox icon also appears on your BlueStacks home screen. After that, open Roblox. You can either click the Open button here in the Play Store, or return to the BlueStacks home screen and click the Roblox icon there. Roblox launches in a new window inside BlueStacks, showing the main welcome screen with options to log in or sign up. At this point, log into your Roblox account, click the Login button, then enter your username or email and your password carefully. If you see a Remember Me option, only use it on your own computer. When you click Login, Roblox loads your home page with your avatar, friend list, and recommended experiences, confirming the login worked. Finally, choose a game and click Play. Browse the experiences shown, or use the Roblox search bar to look for a specific title. When you find something you like, click its thumbnail to open the game page, then click the green play button. BlueStacks loads the Roblox experience, and within a short moment you are inside the game and can move your character using your keyboard and mouse. You have now installed Roblox in BlueStacks, logged in, and started your first game on your computer. So if this helped you get playing, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple BlueStacks and Roblox guides.